Hello. And welcome. Today's presentation is part of a series of videos. All are related to the K40 Chinese laser cutter engraver. The laser module is shown both closed and opened. Please take care opening, the spring might jump out. The glass lens should remain in the holder. The switch is pressed into the hole in the bracket. The set of components include battery holder, 3mm screw, nut, and the part assembled bracket. First insert the 3mm screw through the battery holder and screw through the bracket, then attach the 3mm nut. Cut the red wire, allowing 3 cm or so to solder the wire to the switch, and use the spare piece to attach to other pole of the switch. Cut the black wire to same length as red, strip, and tin ends. Place 2 pieces of shrink insulation over each wire on the battery pack, both black and red wires. Then, solder each of the wires red to red, and blue to black. Shrink the heat shrink over each joint. You are done. Now a quick visual check. What now follows is our procedure for checking the positioning, accuracy, and focus of the pointers. This is done on our own jig. This makes it much easier than taking each unit to the K40 laser cutter to perform each test. It does the same task, but means this can be done during assembly. Remember, you receive our product already assembled. We supply air assist products via our ebay.co.uk service. We ship these worldwide. Thank you for your interest. Hopefully, we have been of assistance. If you want more content, please drop a comment. We also would appreciate a like, and if you feel so inclined, you might consider subscribing. Until next time, keep safe, keep making.